cupcakes, chocolate eggs, a meringue wreath, and Easter gingerbread cookies? Learn creative Easter treat recipes from the Easter Bunny in our new video. Bonnie, the Easter Bunny, is today's host. She's cooking yummy Easter treats. Some culinary magic, and the first dish appears on the table. Cute lamb cupcakes on a green meadow. Add 1 ounce of powdered sugar to 3½ ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. Mix it and cover a pre-made chocolate cupcake with the topping. Stick in little marshmallows. Add a chocolate egg to be a head. Paint eyes and pupils with chocolate glaze. Attach halves of marshmallows as ears using glaze. Beat 2 eggs, 1 ounce of sugar, and 2 ounces of honey into thick foam. Add 2 ounces of flour and ½ ounce of baking powder. Make batter and add a few drops of green food coloring. Put the batter into a paper cup. Fill 1/3 of it. Microwave it for 40 seconds. Take the cupcake out. Tear it into little pieces and place them onto a plate like grass on a meadow. Place the sweet sheep down on top. Here are our first guests. They spend a lot of time reading the holiday menu and choose the sweet sheep dessert. They have never tasted this before. There you go, Bonnie treats her friends. Cute lambs, cute friends. Not bad. And Bonnie gets the 3rd one. What a delicious treat! Bonnie quickly comes up with one more treat for her dear guests. She cooks Easter cakes shaped like eggs. Crush 10 Oreo cookies in a blender. Add a spoon of Philadelphia cream cheese. Thoroughly stir the mixture. Melt 3½ ounces of chocolate in a double boiler. Pour it into an egg mold. Spread it over and let it solidify. Put in the Oreo mix. Compact it well and let it harden. Color the ready eggs with melted white chocolate glaze. The girls notice the Easter cakes. How beautiful! Fabergé eggs from a chocolate world. The girls don't think twice before wolfing the cakes down. They even eat the decoration on the plate. Fancy that! Bonnie's not used to this kind of hunger. And the guests demand more food. They are still not full. The girls become very cranky from eating too much sugar. They aren't satisfied with anything. Come on, Bunny, amaze us with an Easter treat. Bonnie knows what to do. She cooks an edible Easter decoration. It's a meringue wreath. Add 7 ounces of sugar to 4 egg whites. Mix and heat the mixture in a double boiler until the sugar melts. Beat the egg whites with a mixer to get stiff peaks. Divide it into parts and add different shades of pink food coloring. Draw a circle on parchment paper. Squeeze the egg white out of a pastry bag to shape the meringue into flowers. Interchange sizes and colors. Bake the wreath for an hour at 210 degrees Fahrenheit. This delicate Easter wreath is more than just beautiful, it's also delicious. The girls look happy now. They crunch on the meringue like bunnies crunch on carrots. So tasty! Bonnie cooked a new treat, and her hungry guests want to try it right now. These are chocolate nests with candies. Melt a bar of dark chocolate in a microwave. Break pretzel sticks into pieces and mix them with the melted chocolate. Put the chocolate-covered pretzel sticks onto the bottom of a bowl. Shape a nest. Let it harden. Put chocolate egg candies into the ready nests. The guests attack the eggs as if they are nest raiders. What an interesting Easter egg decoration! These nests look adorable! They are made from edible branches. The girls scarf down the eggs. Since they are such gluttons, the bunny will teach them a lesson. Bonnie made a treat that her guests definitely won't be able to tackle. This is a super sweet and super Eastery Seminole cake. Try to defeat these cute bunnies, girls! Mix 8 ounces of flour, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and baking powder. Separately mix 6 ounces of butter and 5 ounces of sugar. Beat it with a mixer. Add in 2 eggs and keep mixing until you get an even consistency. Pour in the flour mix. Make thick dough. Add candied fruit, dried cranberry, and raisins. Put the dough into a silicone mold. Bake it for 40 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the ready cake into 2 parts. Coat the middle and the top with jam. Melt dark chocolate drops and pour it into a bunny mold. Let it harden and take out the ready bunnies. Cover the sides of the cake with melted chocolate. Attach the chocolate bunnies around. Decorate the top of the cake with sweets and chocolate egg candies. Wrap a ribbon around the cake. The guests snatch this cake out of her hands too. Well, let's see. The cute girls ruthlessly bite off the bunny ears and eat the cake with spoons. A few minutes and the entire giant cake is gone. All that's left is the ribbon and the bunny remains. Bonnie has never seen anything like this before. The girls didn't even think about sharing with her. Bonnie gets upset and leaves her super hungry guests. Where did she go? That's all right. The girls can find food in the kitchen on their own. Jessica and Cindy find a hidden treat without searching for too long. These are her iconic twisted bunny cookies. Add 3.5 ounces of sugar to 7 ounces of soft butter. Mix it. Put in an egg. Add 9 ounces of flour. Make a thick dough. Divide it into parts and add different food colorings. Roll it and shape a pretzel. Coat a dough ball with sprinkles and put it into the loop of the pretzel. Put the cookies onto a baking tray and bake it for 14 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. The girls want to enjoy the treat right away, but Cindy realizes what they've done. Bonnie is upset, and they didn't even thank her for all her treats. We need to apologize right now and make a delicious gift for our fluffy host. The girls are working in the kitchen, mixing, whipping, and improvising. Sprinkle a mat with flour and roll out ready gingerbread dough 1/4 inch thick. Cut out eggs with a template. Bake the cookies for 10 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. For the glaze, mix 1 egg white with 6 ounces of powdered sugar. Add different food colorings and put the glaze into Ziploc bags. Color the cookies like Easter eggs. Decorate a clean egg tray with a ribbon and a bow. Put in gift filling and put the gingerbread eggs into the cells. At last, the present is done! Easter gingerbread cookies! The girls leave the Easter gingerbread cookies on the table and hide. The bunny notices the sweet gift. Who left it here? Did Cindy and Jessica actually do this? Surprise! Bonnie, we are so sorry for being greedy and rude. The cookies are so delicious that the bunny forgives the girls right away. Bonnie gives her guests the main gift. This is a big chocolate bunny with candies inside. Melt 25 ounces of chocolate drops in a double boiler. Pour the chocolate in a silicone bunny mold. Spread it over the walls and let it harden. Pour a layer of chocolate onto a silicone mat. Evenly spread it. Cool it down and cut out a bunny. Put M&Ms into the 3D chocolate bunny. Cover it with the flat piece and fasten them together with melted chocolate. Make chocolate petals on parchment paper. Separately squeeze out a chocolate circle and attach the hardened petals to make a flower. Place the chocolate bunny onto a chocolate strip. Decorate it with the chocolate flowers. What a wonderful bunny! Wow! But the best part is inside. Jessica breaks the bunny apart and finds a pile of candies. This is a great dessert. But it's already time to go home. Thanks for everything, Easter Bunny. Phew, I need a break after hosting all those guests. Not that fast. You've got some new visitors. Did you like our Easter dessert recipes? Then write in the comments what Easter treat you will cook for you and your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new Easter ideas on Troom.